Hello everyone, we are Group A4 presenting to you our project topic titled SafeMedia.ai, which is a safe and cross-platform social media application. My name is Narottam Aswal and my teammates are Chandrakrishna Bajaj and Atharva Kale. Our mentor is Dr. Dhanama ma'am. Let's start with the current problems we see on social media. As you all know, in today's date, a lot of fake profiles are getting created. People use someone else's identity, name, pictures, and tries to impersonate them for different malicious purposes like fraud and blackmailing, which is inappropriate as well as a cybercrime. It becomes difficult for other users to identify the real person on social media. The second big problem we see a lot on internet is online trolling and abusing. When a person posts their photos or express their thoughts, other people appreciate and tries to put their opinions in the comment section. But sometimes when thoughts of different people don't match, they start trolling or abusing the target person in the comment section. They start criticizing with inappropriate words, which affects the mental health of individual. These activities are increasing day by day, and that's the reason many people have decided to move out and quit social media. Taking all these problems into consideration, now let's see the solution from which we can resolve this problem. So the solution we have come up to is create a new social media app with some security features that will help us to prevent and reduce cybercrimes such as identity theft, posting abusive comments, posting inappropriate content. With this, our app will try to keep only one identity of a person and avoid duplication of profiles. It won't allow any inappropriate or abusive content to be posted on our app. Now let's see the features of our application. The first and most prominent feature is the authentication feature, in which we have implemented all authentication functionalities like login, logout, sign up, forget password and email validation. The next features are post and comment features, in which user can create or remove a particular post or a comment. Next one is the face recognition feature, which will detect the user post and user face, and it won't allow duplicate photos of a user posted by some other user. Next features are object detection and profanity filter. This will detect the vulgar and inappropriate content and filter out the abusive text from the comments. Technologies. To create the mobile application, we use React Native, and for backend we have used Python and TensorFlow for AI models. To integrate the frontend and backend, we use Django REST framework as our API. For processing and storing the data in our app, we use Firebase, which is a NoSQL database developed by Google. Now let's see the demo of our application.
Demo. This is the login page of application. You can create a new account by going to new account, register here. After that you can fill the data and create a new user account. For time being, I'll use an existing account. After entering the credentials, app will authenticate the user and sign in the user. This is the home page of the application. We'll start by editing the profile by clicking on the edit profile button. Firstly, I will try to use image of Cristiano Ronaldo to try to create a fake profile. The model will recognize the Cristiano Ronaldo face which is already present in system and display an error message. Then I'll use actual photo of Lionel Messi to update the profile pic. Model will analyze the face to make sure there is no user with the same identity. If there is no user with the same identity, the success message will be shown to the user and the profile pic in such a way will be updated. As you can see on the screen, the profile pic of the Lionel Messi is updated. Now let's get back to the home page and upload a new post. We are using update detection to filter vulgar content and to stop it from getting posted. For example, we are telling the model that the gun is a vulgar content and should be detected. Model will detect the gun present in the image and will show the error message in such a way. Now, I will try to impersonate the Elon Musk by trying to post his face, but model will again recognize the face of the Elon Musk which is present there already in the system and will show the error message. Only and only when I try to put the face of the Lionel Messi, the model will get to know that the user itself is posting his own face and will allow the post to be posted on the social media application. We can also like and comment on each other's post by clicking on the heart button or clicking on the comment section. Profanity filter will filter out abusive comment and will not allow to be posted on the application. We can also view profile of other users by clicking on their profile name and can see the post, followers and following. And then you can click on logout button to get back to the login page.
Now, for future enhancements, the system will be modified and upgraded as the time passes. New and stronger security features will be added. AI models will be enhanced. The GUI will be modified to make it more user-friendly and trendy. New features like stories, videos, etc. will be added. Optimizations of the system will be carried out to provide clients with faster response and smoother GUI experience. There will also be regular bug fixes to provide clients with the best possible product for their use at any given time. In the end, we would like to thank our mentor, Dhanama ma'am, who supported us and guided us in creating this application. Thank you.